Okay, I wanted to do this video for a while. So you're on a Mac. I've sent you a link to install my support client, and you're going to start by putting that into Safari, hitting enter. You're going to get prompted for a download. Say allow. It's going to download the package, then double click, open the package. You might get this message saying it can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. That's okay. Just say okay again. Now we're going to go into your system settings, and it's going to be under privacy and security. And scroll all the way down, and it's very important that you do this quickly because it only gives you this option for about an hour. But you scroll all the way down and you click on open anyway. Once you do that, you're going to have to enter your password. So go ahead and enter that. Say open. Click on open. And now the installation will start. So click on continue. Click on install. Put your password in again. It's going to go through the installation, and then once that's all done, you get this review system access window. There's screen recording and accessibility. Just click on request access on either one, then open system settings, and then you'll see the ConnectWise thing there. You just toggle it on. When you're doing screen recording, it's going to warn you that it's going to have to quit and reopen. That's okay. This window will pop up again. Under accessibility, click on request access, and then toggle the ConnectWise control over. And now you're done. You can close your settings window, and when you do that, you can finish up the install just by clicking close. Move it to the trash is what I would recommend. And that's it. Now I'll be able to connect to your system and help you with whatever issue that you're having. And you'll know I'm connected because you'll see this obnoxiously big, your computer is being controlled by Cahill Solutions. I'll usually just hide that because of how big it is. And then if this window is still up, you can still say dismiss. And from here on out, I would start working on your computer.